With mar Azimio dwa mondo ogai mar Obila Japhet Koome ogwe tao kaluwore kod nek mar Rex Masai mane go lisasi kod obila nyoro kinde ng'anyo e chuny boma ma Nairobi. Kotenegi kod ogai mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kod jotelo mamoko gidwaro bende ni obila mane ochwado Rex lisasi ochungi tich kendo kaone ondamo mager mar chik.
Rex, like all his comrades, was peaceful, unarmed, and non-violent, but he was senselessly gunned down by a police bullet. This is a tragic event with far-reaching consequences. Our coalition is extremely disturbed by Rex's fatal shooting. We have far too many memories of these tragedies, and our thoughts and prayers are with his family, with his friends, and the community that has suffered such a terrible loss. We stand with Rex, his family, and his comrades. We pledge to offer all our help required in seeking answers and justice. We demand that these perpetrators of police brutality be arrested and charged with murder before a court of law.
For the media, I think we want to thank you for the highlighting of this very successful protest by the Gen Zs. You are also victims. Many of you actually got injuries. We say poorly to you, but we are also saying you must join us in taking action against this police brutality. And we're not just talking about our local media, the international media also. I saw one international foreign reporter who was injured, and we're happy that the international media took interest in this matter. We saw Al Jazeera, we saw CNN, and we are happy with that coverage and support that we received. But however, we are still very concerned that the international community, our partners, have been very quiet when there have been blatant violation of human rights in Kenya.
Coalition or as a party will take disciplinary measures against those particular members because, as you have been informed, our own Secretary General communicated to them what they were supposed to do, and unfortunately they never did that. Some of them are using local politics about the finance bill. Finance bill affects all Kenyans. Does not affect a particular local community. So we have to come together as Kenyans and make sure that Kenyans get the right thing that is supposed to help them prosper as Kenyans in the future.
To the Inspector General of Police, we demand that you resign. Koome, we know that you are vicariously liable to the murder with malice aforethought of one Rex, and therefore you must resign, and the DPP must institute a criminal charge of murder against your person. To the police officer who murdered Rex, you must surrender yourself